For the record.
Treated Guyton.
Thank you, Judge. If you recall, we were here a couple of weeks ago, at which time Ms. Guyton was supposed to turn herself into the
versus Treated Guyton.
Nimish Ganatra for the people.
Ready again, Judge. Torshel Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Ms. Guyton. Ms. Guyton, please state your name for the record.
Treated Guyton.
Thank you, Judge. If you recall, we were here a couple of weeks ago, at which time Ms. Guyton was supposed to turn herself into the county jail. My understanding is she did not turn herself in on the day and time the court ordered her to, but that she did later turn herself in. We're asking for an adjournment now that she's in. Go ahead, Judge. I'm sorry.
It kind of happened like that.
Okay. Yeah, I think there was some.
She was supposed to turn herself in on April 14th. She didn't. She then attempted to file an online bench warrant request because she knew she didn't turn herself in. That was on April 19th. We denied that. And the 19th was what day? That was a Wednesday. And then she decided, well, might as well try to deal with it. And then finally turned herself in on the 22nd, but then left.
They let me go.
Then she came back.
Can I please speak?
Hold on, Ms. Guyton. Let you talk. Let me let Jess know what we want to do today.
Oh no, I'm done with her journey.
Okay, Judge. I also submitted in this file a late referral to drug court in this matter. Ms. Guyton and I had spoken, and I think she's an appropriate candidate for drug court. I had spoken to Mr. Ganatra about this previously, and I believe he does not have an objection. So I'd like to have her referred, and then I think Ms. Guyton wants me to do a couple other things also.
All right. Now, drug court referral, they don't have the prosecutor's signature. I'm assuming, Mr. Ganatra, you don't have an issue with that.
No, you can please sign with my permission.
Okay. Seems to be a consistent theme with Feaster.
I'm working on getting better.
No, I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. All right. Okay, and we'll put this out 3 weeks to you want the 16th or the 23rd?
16th.
Or 16th.
We'll keep them consistent.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned May 16th. What else did anybody want to address with me?
Thank you, Judge. I believe Ms. Guyton wanted me to let the court know that she
Ordered you to jail. Why didn't you go there on the 14th?
I didn't hear. I swear I didn't hear that part. That you was the part when you said what time and what day to turn myself in. Only way I finally found out was through my probation officer. I turned myself in twice. The second time they kept me, the first time I came.
Well, hold it. So when you found out from your probation officer, then you knew I told you to go to jail. Why'd you file an online bench warrant recall?
I don't know if it worked.
Okay, well, that's an honest answer. Then you came to the jail on April 22nd.
And then I told them I had a bench warrant the whole 9 yards. I got there at 7:45 in the morning. I stayed to 10:30. And then they came and told me, you can leave if you want to. You stay or you can leave. That's all they told me. So
they told you could stay or leave because there was a bench warrant out.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. And so if that was the case, then did you go back?
Yeah, I let them come in and came back again.
When did you go back?
I went back the next day.
Why'd you go back the next day if they told you you could leave?
Because something didn't sound right. For them to send me, I can stay or leave.
Okay, so something between the time you left and the time you came back, something just didn't sound right.
No, it didn't seem right.
So you went back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that might have been because they told you not to leave.
No, they didn't tell me to leave, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. All right.
They didn't tell me. They told me that I could stay or leave. They really did. So I left.
Yeah. Sheriff's Department always does that. In the face of a bench warrant, they just tell you to leave. All right. Mr. Feaster, anything else you want to add to what your client has indicated?
not at all.
Bond will continue as it's currently set. I want to see if she gets into drug court before I want to see what the assessment says before I release the inpatient treatment, because I'm not sure whether or not she may have a bag packed, but I'm not sure that there's anything waiting there for her, given the behavior of the defendant.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.
So you're gonna make them two?
Sit tight, Ms. Guyton. I'll come see you.
You might tell her that she could leave.
Let you talk.
This
Let
case
me
does
let
not
Judge know what we
involve
wanna
a
do
sovereign
today.
citizen
Oh,
or
no,
jurisdiction-based
I'm
legal
done with
theories,
her journey.
but it does demonstrate an
Judge,
important courtroom principle. Judges evaluate actions more heavily than explanations. The defendant argued that she failed to report to jail because she did not hear the specific date and time during the previous hearing. She also explained that she was trying to enter an inpatient rehabilitation program and had already completed the intake process. Rather than accepting those explanations at face value, the judge carefully questioned the timeline. He asked why she filed a bench warrant recall after learning she had missed the surrender date, and why she left the jail after initially reporting there.
No, you can please
Those
sign
questions
with
were
my
aimed at
permission.
testing the consistency and credibility of her account. The judge also considered her request to participate in drug court and acknowledged the potential benefits of treatment. However, he chose not to release her immediately, explaining that he first wanted confirmation that drug court and the treatment placement were
and we'll
actually
put this
available.
out 3 weeks
The
to
key
the.
legal
You
lesson
want
is
the
that courts
16th or the
routinely
23rd?
balance
16th.
rehabilitation
Or
with accountability.
16th.
We'll
While
keep them
treatment
consistent.
opportunities are encouraged, defendants are still expected to follow court orders
Probable cause
precisely.
conference will be adjourned May
Credibility,
16th. What else does
compliance,
anybody
and a
want to address
documented
with me?
history often
Thank you,
carry
Judge. I
more
believe
weight
Ms.
than
Guyton
explanations
wanted me to
offered
let the
after the
court know
fact.
that she